the x and y intercepts. If you're given a graph, a picture, then the x-intercept is where that graph cuts the x-axis, and the y-intercept is where that graph cuts the y-axis. If you're given an equation and you're asked to find the x and y-intercept, then for the x-intercept, you let the y equal 0, and for the y-intercept, you would let the x equal 0. So we would like to find the x and the y-intercepts for this equation. So we're going to look for the x first, the x-intercept. So you let the y equal 0. So notice here's the equation, and you're going to let the y equal 0, and you have this equation. Now we're going to factor this equation to find the x-intercepts. So we factor the equation. Here are the two factors. And the only way you could get a 0 when you multiply things is that one of the things that you're multiplying is already a 0. So either this factor equals 0 or this factor equals 0. Remember, a factor is what's being multiplied. So these are factors because they're being multiplied. So either this factor is a 0 or this factor is a 0. Solve for x. So this is one of the x-intercepts. Solve for the other x, and this is another x-intercept for the given equation. Now we're going to find the y-intercept. The y-intercept is always the easier one. Notice why. So for the y-intercept, we're going to let the x equal 0. So everywhere you see an x, you plug in a 0, simplify, and we get y equal -8. So y equal -8 is the y-intercept for the equation.